In a moment of tranquility, as the sunlight starts to gently filter through the window, you find yourself wondering, what is the universe trying to tell me? Sometimes, life feels like a tangle of coincidences and unexpected encounters. Have you ever stopped to think that these little events might be signs from destiny? Hidden messages sent by the angels, seeking to guide you on the path of love and fulfillment. Imagine that you're walking through a park when suddenly you see a couple embracing under the shade of a tree. A warm feeling fills your heart as you realize this is not just an ordinary scene. It's a powerful reminder that love is present, even in simple moments. The angels are whispering, showing that true love can arise when you least expect it. Every day, you find little synchronicities, a song that plays at a crucial moment, a conversation that resonates deeply, or even a message that seems to be meant only for you. These experiences are invitations from the universe for you to pay attention. What are they telling you? How do they reflect your deepest desires? These signs are like flowers blooming amidst the stones, showing that even in tough times, beauty can emerge. Can you sense that? There is a vibrant energy around you, a cosmic dance inviting you to connect with your feelings. The angels are here, revealing that something special is about to happen in your life. But what you can't see yet is that someone very dear may be about to surprise you. An unexpected proposal, a proposition that could change everything. Do you feel ready for this revelation? Now reflect. Are you open to hearing these signs? To understanding that every moment, every breath, can be a step towards something great? If this resonates with you, leave a comment saying, "I'm ready for the message from the angels." The destiny is unfolding before your eyes, and the next part of this story may be more magical than you can imagine. In a world full of noise and distractions, have you ever stopped to listen to the language of the universe? Sometimes, you need to quiet your mind to realize that the angels are always around you, whispering secrets amid the chaos. They communicate in subtle ways, through symbols and signs that can touch your heart deeply. Imagine, for a moment, a gentle breeze brushing against your face. It's as if this breeze carries a special message, something you need to hear. The angels use elements of nature, repeated numbers, or even a song that plays at an unexpected moment. Every detail has a purpose. Each sign is a reminder that you are not alone. Have you noticed how certain flowers might appear in your path, bringing a smile to your face? Or how a specific number, which seems to pop up repeatedly, stirs something within you? These are the touches of angelic presence. They are here to guide you, to remind you that life is full of hidden meanings. Throughout life, many people report experiences where a simple gesture or a word of comfort transforms into light during moments of darkness. This is the celestial language in action. The angels want you to know that they are always nearby, ready to offer support and unconditional love. But what else are they trying to tell you? What do these signs really mean for your journey? It's essential to pay attention to the small details that arise in your daily life. The angels seek to awaken your intuition, guiding you to perceive what lies beyond the obvious. Feel the energy around you. What does it provoke in you? It's an invitation to take a closer look, to understand that everything happening is part of a bigger plan, a divine design that is unfolding. As you open yourself to this subtle communication, a new reality begins to take shape. You become more aware of your feelings, your desires, and your needs. But remember, this journey is yours, and the choice to listen or not is entirely up to you. Now, imagine a moment when you encounter a clear sign, a message that resonates within your being. What does this mean to you? What can it change in your life? The angels are here to provide this opportunity for reflection. They want you to feel this connection, to recognize the magic present in each day. Life is made up of choices. Are you ready to follow this call? Don't forget, whenever you feel the touch of the divine, know that it is an invitation to delve deeper into your essence. What will you do with this truth? Are you willing to discover what the angels have to say? The journey is just beginning, and there is much more to be revealed. By opening yourself to this celestial communication, you may uncover secrets that will change your life forever. Now, take a deep breath and be attentive. What comes next may surprise you in ways you never imagined. Loneliness can be one of the most intense feelings you've ever experienced. In moments of uncertainty, when everything around you seems to quiet down, it's easy to feel lost, as if the world has forgotten about you. But there is something profound that unfolds in loneliness, an opportunity to connect with your inner self and with the angels who are always nearby. Have you ever stopped to think that these moments of absence of signs could, in fact, be spiritual tests? It is during these quiet times in life that resilience is forged. The lack of answers, clear guidance, may seem overwhelming. However, it's a chance to rediscover your strength, to connect with your essence, and to find light where there was once darkness. Do you feel this? That tension in your heart that, instead of bringing you down, can lift you up? Imagine yourself in an open field, surrounded by flowers and a gentle breeze. The sun is shining, but you cannot see anyone around you. It is in this space that true reflection takes place. Loneliness is not merely an absence, but an invitation to look within. It's a moment when the angels whisper in your heart, "Trust, we are here." Every challenge is a step towards your growth. What happens when you embrace this loneliness? You start to realize that you are not truly alone. Every thought, every emotion, every doubt transforms into an intimate conversation with the universe. And on this journey, signs begin to emerge in unexpected ways, like a flower blooming through the asphalt. Have you noticed how, even on the darkest days, a small light can shine? That light is your faith. But the question remains, how are you dealing with this? Do you recognize that by facing loneliness, you're building a solid foundation for your spirituality? With each step, you become stronger, more connected to what truly matters. Before we continue, think of a recent moment when you felt alone. What did that bring up for you? What did you learn? These moments are crucial, as they prepare you for what lies ahead. Something special is unfolding, and loneliness is just a part of this journey. And now the revelation. True strength doesn't come from the absence of challenges, but from the ability to rise after each fall. The angels are preparing you for an unexpected marriage proposal, and this phase of introspection is essential. You are being shaped for this new phase of love and commitment. Loneliness, then, transforms into a sacred space where you can reconnect with your essence, strengthening your faith and allowing the light of the angels to guide your path. Do you feel this transformation? Life is about to surprise you in ways you cannot even imagine. Now, the choice is in your hands. How will you use this energy? Are you ready for what is to come? The journey is just beginning, and every step you take brings you closer to your truth. On a quiet night, when the stars dance in the sky, there is a pulsating energy around you. Have you stopped to feel it? That subtle vibration that seems to whisper secrets to your heart, as if the angels are nearby, watching every step you take. Life, my love, is a journey filled with transformations. And now, you are about to embark on a chapter that could change everything. The truth is that every challenge you have faced up to this point has served a greater purpose. Have you noticed? Pain and joy are like the faces of a coin, and each experience brings with it a lesson. Sometimes, it's hard to see this amid the whirlwind of emotions. But the journey of transformation is, above all, an invitation to discover your true essence. Imagine yourself in a blooming field, where each flower represents a part of you. Some flowers are wilting, while others are in full bloom. Each color, each scent, tells a story. When you look within, you can feel it's time to nurture the flowers that need care and attention. It's time to let go of what no longer serves you. What do you need to release? What fears or insecurities are keeping your heart from shining? The angels are here to guide you through this process. They want you to know that it is possible to be reborn. When you allow yourself to look inward, something magical happens. A radiant light begins to emerge, and you realize that you are stronger than you ever imagined. Have you felt this strength? It's like a gentle warmth enveloping your being, bringing clarity and courage. As you transform, new opportunities arise. Love, which once felt distant, may come closer in unexpected ways. The universe conspires in your favor, revealing deep and meaningful connections. And believe it, someone special is about to cross your path in ways you never imagined. This connection could be the beginning of a beautiful story, a story you deserve to live. But before that can happen, it's essential that you are ready for this change. Ask yourself, are you willing to open your heart? Are you ready to embrace your true essence? The answer lies within you, waiting to be revealed. If you feel that this message resonates with your soul, write, I am ready for this transformation. Now, take a deep breath. Feel the energy around you. Something magnificent is about to happen. And as you prepare for this new phase, remember, every step you take toward your true self is a step toward the love you deserve. And the truth that the angels reveal is that you are never alone on this journey. Often, it's in moments of uncertainty that the clearest signs appear. Have you noticed how small coincidences can actually be divine messages? Get ready, because your love life is about to be illuminated in a way you never dreamed possible. Transformation is underway, and the beauty of it all is that you are the author of this story. Are you ready to write the next chapter? If this connection still lives within you, maybe it's because this story has not yet reached its end. Destiny holds surprises, and you are about to discover something extraordinary. What will be your next choice? The gentle breeze caresses your face as you reflect on the paths that life weaves. There's a mystery lingering in the air, isn't there? A whisper of promises and possibilities that seems to be calling your name. It's as if the angels, with their delicate wings, are around you, whispering secrets that you have yet to fully hear. Imagine for a moment. You're in a special place, a refuge where sunlight filters through the leaves of the trees, creating a spectacle of dancing shadows. And suddenly, you realize that something extraordinary is about to happen. Someone very special, someone who occupies a deep space in your heart, is about to appear with a revelation that will change everything. This person, who has often been by your side, is now preparing to take a step that you may not have anticipated. A marriage proposal. Can you feel the vibrant energy of this moment? The warmth emanating from sincere love, the anticipation in the air, as if the universe itself is conspiring for this to happen. But before you get lost in this sweet illusion, it's vital to understand what is really at stake. It's more than just a request. It's a deep transformation, an invitation to a new journey that can open doors you didn't even know were closed. Have you ever wondered why this moment is unfolding now? Sometimes, life presents us with opportunities at unexpected times, and that's where the beauty of transformation lies. That inner voice which, amid doubt, says, "Go for it, you deserve this." Can you feel it? This is the message from the angels, a direct guidance for you to open your heart and allow yourself to dream again. But what if this revelation is not just a simple request? What if it is a call for you and this person to explore together a path of love and growth? What could this mean for your life, your story, your future? Are you willing to accept this proposal not just with your mind, but with your heart? Now, I invite you to reflect. What would you do if you knew that this special connection is about to deepen in a way you never imagined? What would it be like to let this light shine in your life? The angels are here to remind you that every step taken with love brings with it a new opportunity for happiness. Are you ready to embrace this transformation? The answer lies within you, pulsating like a passionate heart. And as you ponder this, remember, what is about to happen could be the beginning of a beautiful story. A story where love reveals itself in its purest form. Now, the choice is in your hands. Will you accept this journey?